We made a salad with the romaine lettuce. And I took the little bit of leftover and stuck it in water. I let it sit overnight, and now I'm going to take it out and I'm going to put it in the garden. It's been raining out. It's sprinkling right now, but I'm heading towards the garden. Walking to the garden with my romaine lettuce. Ooh, check that out. I'm going to the compost pile. The compost pile has some things growing in it. That's another romaine lettuce that we brought out. It's already put up new leaves. And there's a carrot. So I dug a hole, and I'm putting this romaine lettuce down in there too. I'm going to pack it in with some good wet compost.